Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to install the WpRentals theme. The WpRentals theme can be used to create a booking site, and you can purchase it from Theme Forest. Before installing the theme, you need to choose a hosting company. We recommend to use a hosting dedicated for WordPress. You will need to purchase a domain and make sure that you have WordPress installed on that domain. Once you set your new domain on your new server, you will need to ensure that your site has the minimum requirements to run WordPress and to install the WpRentals theme. I have such a domain here. I have only WordPress installed. For this domain I have checked and I have all theme server requirements. You will need to also go to Settings, General, and here we recommend to check the WordPress address and site address. If you have an SSL certificate installed for your site and you have the link here with HTTPS, you will need to have the same for the WordPress address and the site address. Now you can proceed with the theme install. You can purchase the theme from Theme Forest and you will find the theme file in your buyer account in Downloads section. For the download options, you can download only the WordPress files that can be directly installed in your site, or you can download all files and documentation, and you will have a zip that will include all files offered with the theme. I have already downloaded the theme on my device. I have downloaded all files and documentation, and in this case I will need to unzip this file to install the theme correctly. If you downloaded only the WordPress files, you can upload that zip file directly in your site. So first I will unzip the theme pack. And now I will have sliders from our demo, a folder with demo images, the theme included plugins, and Elementor templates. To install the theme, I will need to add the WpRentals zip file. So I will go back to my domain. I will go to Appearance Themes. I will click Add New, Upload Theme. I will click Choose File and select the WpRentals zip file from the theme pack. This is the file. I will click Install Now. The theme was installed successfully. I will click Activate. For the theme install to be complete, I will need to install the theme included plugins as well. You will see this notice here. You can install the theme included plugin from this warning, or you can go to Appearance, Install Plugins section. Here you will find the theme included plugins. You will need to select them all and install. I will return to Required Plugins Installer. Now I will activate the plugins. I will go to Dashboard. This Elementor warning will show once Elementor is installed and active. You can dismiss it. And now the theme install is complete. After the theme install, you will need to activate your theme. Here you will need to add your Theme Forest username and license code. Once you edit your details, the consent box needs to be checked, and you can click Register License button. The theme is now active. I will refresh the page, and now you can start building your site. You can import one of the available demos. For that, you will need to go to WpRentals Options, Import Demo. Here you will find all theme available demos, and we have video tutorials made for each demo to see the steps that you need to take before and after the demo import. Going to Plugins section, the one-click demo import plugin can be removed from your site once you completed the demo import. Also, the SVG support plugin will be required to be active before the demo import to import the SVG icons for features and amenities, but after you are done, you can deactivate and remove this plugin as well. We recommend to use a child theme, especially if you want to translate the theme or make code changes. And to install it, you will need to go to Appearance Themes, click Add New, click Upload Theme, and you will need to choose the zip file for child theme from the theme pack. I will click Choose File, and I will select the WpRentals child zip file and press Install Now. The child theme was installed. I will activate it, and now I have the main theme and the child theme active. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.